Hello, everyone. This is Darren Wilson. I'm the Director of Online Operations at Hope School of Leadership. In this video, we're going to spend just a few minutes introducing you to the Canvas platform that we have for your orientation course. Right now, I'm at the Hope School of Leadership website at www.hopeschoolofleadership.org. And if you look at our homepage, you'll see the very first button is for student login. We're going to click on that student login. This is where we're going to log in to Canvas. You need to use your email address, the official email address that you've used to submit your application, along with the password that I've sent you. I've already created an account for you in Canvas, and so I will have sent you the username and password, or the email address and password that you're going to need for this screen. If I haven't sent you the password yet, then you need to stop this video, contact me right away asking for a password so I can create your account and then send you that password. Let me go ahead and log in using my account and we'll take a look. Okay, I'll click on the login button, and then here we are in the dashboard. So we are inside the Canvas platform right now. You can see at the very top, it says canvas.instructure.com. We are logged in, and on this dashboard, I only have one course, which is the Orientation December 2025 course. Normally, we offer 2 courses at a time. So when you log back in January as a regular student, you should see 2 courses here instead of just this one course. I'm going to go ahead and tap where it says Orientation December 2025 and open up this course. You'll be able to see that this is the home page of the course. As we scroll down, you'll see a welcome video that you need to watch. In this yellow area, there's some text for you to read. There is a reminder here at the bottom of the yellow area that you need to join the WhatsApp group for this course. You can just tap on that link to join the WhatsApp group. Down a little bit further in this blue area, you'll watch a video, welcome video from Paul, who is the Director of Africa Operations. And then in this red area, you'll see that this orientation course is divided into 5 sections. Section 1 is titled, What is Hope School All About? Section 2 is what do online courses look like? Section 3, what are student expectations? Section 4, turning in your work, and Section 5, introducing yourself. So as you walk through and complete all of these 5 sections, that's going to serve as an orientation into Hope School life. So we want you to learn a little bit about Hope School. We want you to learn what our courses look like and what our expectations are of you as a student, and then how you're going to turn in your work in upcoming terms where you're taking courses as a regular Hope School student. So when you click on one of those sections links, it will take you to the section homepage where you're going to read and then submit your assignments. We'll look at that in just a minute. Down here at the very bottom of this page, there's contact information for Paul and I. If you need any assistance, you can find us at those email addresses, those phone numbers. WhatsApp is probably going to be best for us. And so if you go through this WhatsApp group link right there, you'll be able to find us there. No problems at all. You can ask questions, ask for clarification, and we'll be watching that and responding that way. I do want to show you some other things real quick. In the Canvas platform, at the very top right corner, there's going to be a down arrow. When you click on that, that's going to pull down the main menu. Right now, we're at home. I'm going to go ahead and click where it says Assignments, and you'll be able to see those assignments that I was referencing just a second ago. I said there were 5 sections, and so each section has an overview, and then each section has an assignment to do. So I'm just going to click on Section 1 Overview, and let's go to that page right now. These are all set up about the same. So each section, there's going to be a little bit of text for you to read. In some cases, there's going to be links for you to click on to learn a little bit more. And then usually there's going to be some activities down in the bottom in the red section. And you're just going to read through these section pages, read through the information, and then do these activities. And like I said, every section has either a checklist or some kind of an assignment to do, and that's always included at the very bottom. These section checklists are pretty easy. when you click on a checklist, they're actually set up like a quiz. So whenever you click to where it says take the quiz, it's a checklist. And so for section 1, as an example, we're asking you some questions, and you're just going to check yes, you've done it, or no, you have not done it yet. The reason that we want you to do these checklists is to hold yourself accountable and then let us know how you're doing through this orientation course. You can always go back and revisit sections if you haven't had time. You can do this at your own pace, and you can do these section checklists as many times as you need to make sure that you're learning the information that you need to learn. I'm going to click on the down arrow again and go back to assignments, just to kind of show you that if you've already done like a section 1 overview or a section 2 overview and you want to skip directly to the assignment, you can click on these. We've already looked at what a checklist looks like. I'm going to click on the application report for section 4. And this is a little bit different type of activity that you're going to do. Our application reports, those are where you're going to upload a PDF or a text document or an audio file or a video file. You can read through to see what we're expecting. But when you get ready to do an application report, you're going to click where the blue button where it says Start Assignment, and you're going to be able to click right there and do the file upload and upload your file. And like I said, it will take PDF files. It will accept Word documents. It will accept audio or video files. You can also click over here where it says text entry and just type your answer directly into this box. That's always okay to do, or copy and paste it from another source and then submit your assignment that way. And so that's what an application report looks like. And then the last type of assignment, let me click back on assignments, and that's going to be a discussion assignment. So let me click on section 5, discussion assignment. And then right here, you're going to be able to read the instructions and then click on the reply button. Discussions are set up in a way where you will be able to type in your reply right here to my prompt. And then when you click on reply, you'll be able to see everyone else's reply. So it's kind of like when you type in your reply and hit submit, that's your key to get into the discussion. And once you've submitted your reply, you'll be able to see what everyone else has typed in, and then you'll be able to carry on a discussion that way. I'm going to click back over here, go back to the menu, and I want to show you on this menu how to click on your grades tab, and you'll be able to check your progress. So when you click on grades, this is going to pull up your grade book, and you can see that we have 5 assignments here that will all get grades. And you'll also be able to see that each one is worth 100 points. Right now, you see the little dash next to each one of those. That just means I haven't submitted anything yet. When you submit the checklists, they are self-grading, and your points will immediately show up right there. When you do the Section 4 application report, one of the instructors will grade it and then return your grade to you, and that will be automatically updated when they do that. And the same thing for the discussion assignment for Section 5. Once you submit your discussion assignment, we will mark that as complete, award you points, and you'll be able to watch each one of these grades fill in up to 100 points. And so the total point value for the entire orientation course is 500 points. So when you reach 500 points, you'll know that you have completed everything that you need to do in the orientation course. Let me go back real quick to the home page. There is one important thing I need to show you on this Canvas platform. On the left top corner, I'm going to click on the 3 lines. And one of the options that you can choose from is the inbox. We have an internal messaging system. You probably don't have any messages yet, but I do. So I can just kind of show you some of these as an example. Whenever we mark one of your assignments as complete, whenever we award you points, this is where we communicate some feedback to you. So this is internal messaging system in Canvas. This inbox system is yet another way of how we keep in touch with you. And every time you open up your Canvas dashboard, you'll be able to click right there and you'll be able to see with a number, a notification, how many inbox messages you have. And you can check those, you can respond to those if you need to. And then when you tap on that, it pulls up the entire message so you can see it. And that's one way of many that we use to communicate with you. We do need you to keep an eye on that inbox because that's where we'll message you sometimes. I hope this is helpful. I hope this shows you everything that you need to get started. If you have any follow-up questions, please don't hesitate to let me or Paul know. We'll be happy to help you and make sure that you get what you need. And we look forward to interacting with you in the orientation course and seeing you complete that, because we would love to be able to serve you as a full-time student when our classes start up in January. So thanks a lot. Appreciate it, and keep in touch. Bye-bye.